Hello students, today we are going to understand the crystalline solid students, meaning of crystalline solid, right student? So when you talk about crystalline solid students, so then there are many substances are there student, many structures are there which occurs in the form of the crystal students, okay, they are occurs in the form of crystal. It means they are having what student, the fixed position of the particle in the lattice, okay. So let's try to read out the slide student. Study of many crystalline solid indicates that they possess the following characteristic properties. So they are saying there is a regularity and periodicity in the arrangement of the constituent particle in the crystalline solid. The ordered arrangement of particle extend over a long range. So dear student, they are saying that is they are having the long range, and that is there is regularity in the arrangement of the particle. So what is the regularity? It is continuously what is happening student, this long order is continuously going on. This way you can try to understand. You will find that is this long order is continuously going on as many as you can do. So there is regularity and periodicity in the arrangement of the constituent particle. That is what the meaning. The order of arrangement of the particle extend over the long range. Okay, that also you keep in mind. Next point, they are saying crystalline solid have sharp melting point. Okay, crystalline solid have sharp melting point. That is they melt at a definite temperature. So if you are having this is crystalline solid, and if you heat at, suppose you are heating at 100 you can say that is 1115 degree, so it will melt. Okay, what I am saying, if you are heating at temperature, if you are talking about 1100, not melt. Okay, not melt. It is not like that it will start melting at 11. If the temperature will reach to the 1150, then only it melt. It means they are saying it is having the sharp melting point, or you can say definite melting point, or the fixed melting point. Or the next point, all crystalline substance except those having cubic structure are anisotropic. Okay, all are anisotropic except the cubic structure student. All crystalline substances except having cubic structure are anisotropic. In other words, their properties like refractive index, thermal and electrical conductivity, etc. are different in the different direction. Okay, so what the meaning is all about? Let's have a look over the meaning of this anisotropic. Okay, anisotropic students, if you talk about this is NaCl, Cl, then Cl, Na, okay, Cl, Na, and again you are going NaCl, NaCl, and lastly it is giving Cl, Na, and Cl, Na. So what you will be able to find out here, dear student, that is you go in all the direction, you will find that is different atoms are there. So their refractive index will be different. Okay, here you see this is the difference are there, this is different. So it is coming different different what is the conductivity, because atom is different, so their refractive index or conductivity or some other properties will also be different. Okay, so that is what they are saying. That means if all the direction it is not same, it means it is the anisotropic, that you keep in mind student. So what the point they are saying, all crystalline substances except those having cubic structure are anisotropic. In other words, their properties like refractive index, thermal and electrical conductivity are different in different directions. Okay student, now let's move last examples. They are saying ice, salts such as NaCl, melts metals such as sodium, gold, copper, and materials such as diamonds, graphite, ceramics are example of the crystalline solid. So it's a very easy student, you can be able to understand the crystalline solid very easily. Thank you so much for watching friend. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to comment students.